Okay, so great. Now, in the last lesson, we went over how to, just to play what's called a C major chord. And with the key C, a C major chord, which is the C, the F, the G, and back to the C again. So at this point, you need to be real comfortable playing that. So you need to be able to just go from C, F, G, and back to C. Again, C, F, G, and back to C. And what I'm only doing here is just the left hand is playing C, an octave above C, F, and then G, and back to C. And then the right hand is just going C, E, G, F, A, C, G, B, D. Okay, so now that you have that down pack and you're comfortable to move into the next phase, now the next phase is you want to practice with your left hand. Your left hand is very, very important. Now, because this hand is, it's the bass hand, it moves around and it adds a little more flavor to your sound. So if you play something with just one hand, the sound quality that you get is not the same. So with the left hand, you want to do what's called an arpeggiation. You arpeggiate from C. So C, G, and C. So you want to practice doing this with the left hand. So C, G, C, C, G, C. You want to practice doing that. And then you want to move on to the F. So it's F, C, F, F, C, F. With the left hand again. You want to practice so you get that rhythm flowing. And then you want to move to the G. So G, D, G. And then you want to go back to the C. Okay, so you need to practice this. Now I'm just playing an octave lower, but it's the same thing. And I'm just moving around. So you want to practice that because the left hand is very important. Now, this is just some different ways for you to practice. So you want to make sure the left, the pinky, your index finger, and then your thumb. So what I'm playing the left hand is the C with the pinky finger, the G with the index finger, and the C with the thumb. So you follow that same pattern with the other chords as well. And the reason you're doing that is because naturally your fingers have certain tendencies to just be, comfortable in a certain position. So you want to play this like that. Okay, so just keep doing that. So at the end of this particular section, you should be able to play, you should be able to flow with it. So you can go forward like this, and then you can go backwards. So you go from C to F to G to F back to C. Or you go from C to F to G to C. Okay, so that's what you want to do. Make sure that you get that left hand working. Get the left hand working. Take time. If it takes you a few more minutes to get this down pack, it's okay. Remember that this is not a race. So there's no set time when you have to complete this particular exercise, right now. But I want you to get very comfortable with the left hand because we're going to be using that left hand quite a lot. So you want to make sure that you get all this arpeggiation going. All right, so now that you have the left hand ready, in the next lesson, we're going to take a look at what you can do with the right hand.